In the crypto world, the situation is favorable for currencies that can offer some stability and its value to the consumers and investors. Cryptos like RSR are gaining traction in this scenario. Are you thinking about investing in RSR?
What are you thinking about?
Stay tuned with us till the end of the video and find out more about RSR. Welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping our viewers become financially independent by the FIRE movement through cryptocurrency trading and investing. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and show us your support by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below. Now, onto the video. What is RSR? The crypto market is one of the most volatile ones out there.
You got crypto? Yeah!
Due to this reason, merchants and consumers are reluctant to use them as a medium of exchange or as a store of value. In other words, no one wants to spend a currency that's value will double in a month, and nobody wants to invest their retirement savings in a crypto that would be worth nothing in a period of time. The volatility of crypto makes it an undesirable candidate to be used as a medium of exchange for purposes like paying rent,
We've been paying rent ever since.
wages, or loans. This is quite understandable, to be honest, because the lack of a stable value casts doubts upon the purchasing power of the crypto in the future. The Reserve token was created to tackle this very problem. It aspires to be an accountable cryptocurrency that can be used as an alternative to regular money. According to Reserve's website, Reserve is a flexible pool of stablecoins designed to reduce risk through diversification and decentralized governance. The Reserve Protocol. The Reserve Protocol is currently operating on the Ethereum blockchain. It is designed in such a way that it can be implemented on any smart contract platform, and Reserve aims to make absolute interoperability of the Reserve token possible across all major smart contract platforms.
That's it.
The Reserve Protocol interacts with three kinds of tokens. The first one is the Reserve token, or RSV, which happens to be the Reserve stablecoin. The next one, Reserve Rights Token, or RSR, is a crypto implemented to ensure the stability of the Reserve token. There is a maximum supply of 100 billion RSR coins. The Reserve Rights Token is used to keep the RSV stable at its $1 price target through a system of arbitrage opportunities. The third one is Collateral Tokens. Collateral tokens are assets that Reserve uses to support the value of the Reserve token. Many of these tokens will be the tokenized forms of actual assets, such as tokenized bonds, property, and commodities. The uniqueness of Reserve rights.
Your uniqueness.
Unlike other stablecoins that are typically backed by US dollars held in reserve in a bank account controlled by the issuer of the stablecoin or an authorized custodian, Reserve stablecoins are backed by a basket of cryptocurrencies, which are in turn run by smart contracts. This basket initially consists of Ethereum stablecoin assets, including USD Coin, USDC, TrueUSD, TUSD, and Paxos, PAX. Reserve, however, plans to later move on to a more diverse basket, which is expected to include fiat currencies, securities, commodities, and even complex asset types like synthetics and derivatives. Reserve's major defining feature is the Reserve Rights Token, which is released and put up for trade when the RSV stablecoin loses its consonance with the US dollar.
He wants US dollars.
The funds obtained by selling RSR tokens are used to strengthen the RSV collateral pool. When RSV reaches a value above $1, the additional collateral will be used to buy and burn RSR from the secondary market. This is to bring down its supply. This mechanism is highly beneficial and hugely important for the long-term price potential of the RSR token. In accordance with the mechanism, when RSV is valued at above $1, it can be bought at that price from the Reserve smart contract using RSR tokens. It can then be sold at the current market price to obtain the difference as profit.
What was my profit for the day?
This option is only available to holders of RSR and is presently one of the primary motivators for holding RSR tokens. Can RSR be trusted? Reserve Rights was co-founded by Nevin Freeman and Matt Elder. Freeman is the CEO of the Reserve, and he is a seasoned entrepreneur. He has explained that his life goal is to solve the coordination problems that are stopping humanity from achieving its potential.
It's the unspoken truth of humanity.
Matt Elder, on the other hand, is an experienced engineer who has work experience in companies like Google and Quixi.
And let me Google that.
Elder now oversees the architecture of the Reserve Protocol implementation as the project's chief technical officer. Since it was launched in 2019, the Reserve team has grown exponentially and now includes more than 24 people as engineers, developers, and legal and compliance staff. They aim to position Reserve as an open, massively scalable stablecoin that promotes economic prosperity.
And prosperity.
Reserve Rights is an ERC20 token that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, it is protected from attacks by a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which is supported by a network of Ethereum miners. Out of the 100 billion tokens that were initially released, less than 10% are currently in circulation. The maximum token supply is already pre-mined, but a large portion is locked. Around 55.75% of the supply is locked in a smart contract known as the Slow wallet.
Dump the wallet. Security, we looking for that.
Funds from this wallet are released after a month's delay, with the Reserve team explaining the purpose of its withdrawal in a public on-chain message. Although RSR has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens while on Ethereum, the Reserve team has stated that this maximum supply might change once Reserve moves to the mainnet. This move was slated to occur in 2020. Why are stablecoins important? The 2021 bull market was kicked off by a series of favorable developments in stablecoins. The value of RSR tokens witnessed a massive increase this year.
We expect great things from you this year.
Thank you, sir.
It had gone up by more than 320% in the first few months of 2021, since January 1st. On the 4th of January this year, the US Treasury's Office of the Comptroller of the Currency stamped its approval for banks to run independent nodes for distributed ledger networks and validated stablecoins as a medium of transaction.
Verifies the transaction. Are we clear?
This led to the shooting up in the value of stablecoin projects like Reserve, MakerDAO, Terra, etc. as the moves resulted in an increased trading volume. You might have heard about Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is the co-founder and CEO of MicroStrategy, a company that specializes in business intelligence, mobile services, and provides cloud-based services. Saylor is a pioneer in focusing a company's major corporate strategies on Bitcoin. He recently borrowed $400 million to purchase more Bitcoin for company treasury.
Up to $400 million.
The crypto space had deemed him as a Bitcoin maximalist for a while now. However, in an interview with CNBC, he shocked the crypto space with his positive outlook towards all the other cryptos out there. He said different cryptocurrencies serve their own distinct purposes. He recognized that newcomers to the crypto space would indeed find it difficult to understand these differences. But that doesn't negate the fact that each crypto is unique and hence contributes to the digital economy in its own way. Reserve enables people and businesses in countries with high inflation to protect their money by moving it out of broken currencies into a stable digital currency. In addition, Reserve makes it affordable to transfer money across borders. These features also facilitate business transactions, especially on an international scale. RSR today. The RSR token really started picking up at the beginning of this year. The token surpassed the value of 2.5 cents on January 1st itself. After the US Treasury's announcement on January 4th, the value kept steadily rising from that of 3 cents till it reached its all-time high of more than 11 cents on the 16th of April. However, after attaining this value, RSR exhibited a bearish trend. The crypto market crash on May 19th led to a further dwindling of its value. Its value fell further below 5 cents and ever since hasn't risen above this mark. The highest value RSR recorded this week was on the 8th of July, valued above 2.8 cents. At the time of recording this video, RSR was valued at 2.4 cents. The total market cap stood around $3.2 million, $318,804,172 at that time. The dips on no-brainer tokens such as RSR is not really a worrying trend. It is bound to turn out profitable to the investors no matter when the investment is done. Short-term retracement in the market is normal and actually beneficial for the crypto in the long run. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. We hope this video was helpful and informative. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and press the bell icon right beside to get notified about our new videos. Do share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.